In this video, I'll show you how to get free shipping on Alibaba step by step in 2026. First, go to alibaba.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one for free. Alibaba is a marketplace where you can buy imported products, mainly from China. Now search for products labeled free shipping or first order free shipping. Some sellers offer free shipping on your first order. When you find a product with free shipping, click on it to see the details. Now add the product to your cart. Click Start Order to begin the purchase. Fill in your shipping information correctly. If the promotion is available, the shipping cost will appear as free. Another way to get free shipping is by adding multiple items to your cart. Some sellers offer free shipping when a minimum order value is reached. Review your order and complete the purchase.